Hello and welcome to the London Borough of Newham Specialist Education Support Service video channel. During this video, I'll introduce a literacy reading approach we refer to as whole word matching. Whole word matching involves learning words by sight. This approach is not a phonetic method. It is based on the idea that we recognize the word as a whole image and not actually spending time recognizing the letters and sounds and then blending them together. This approach is especially useful for those with difficulties in blending sounds together. We'll focus on developing a range of vocabulary that the children will likely be exposed to daily. Using everyday objects helps the children to draw the connections between the writing and the actual real objects the writing represents. It is easier to attach words to objects that children have seen, held, or used. Manipulating items offers deeper multisensory memories of the object, therefore helping us assign the written word to them. The following activities based on learning to see the words for items you would find in a typical breakfast table setting. We'll start with a small set of 6 words, all based on common breakfast items. This topic was purposefully chosen as it uses everyday objects that are easy to find. Tea, milk, toast, butter, jam, sugar. We've specifically chosen not to capitalize the first letter of each word. This is to avoid confusion between upper and lower case letters. Using the 6 words, we create 2 sets of flashcards with 2 copies of each set. These can be downloaded via the link in the description. The items you will need prepared for this activity are the actual objects, a set of symbol-supported flashcards, and a separate set of word flashcards. Stage 1. Item to symbol word matching. Here we begin to assign a symbol word flashcard to the actual item it represents. Start with 1 item and 1 flashcard. As in this example, matching a milk bottle to that of the symbol word flashcard. Once they have become familiar with the milk flashcard, then begin the process with the next item and so on. When offering the flashcard, clearly say the word. Do not try to elongate the sounds on the word and then phonetically blend them. Just say the word. Do not rush the stage. The remaining stages hinge on the child having secured this initial written whole word attachment to the actual object. This process may take some time to establish, especially with new unfamiliar words that they have not previously been exposed to. Stage 2 is about confirming that they can identify the right symbol word flashcard from a selection. We identify the item as the target and the flashcards as the choices. Begin with 1 target and 2 choices. As in this case, we have the actual milk bottle and 2 flashcards, milk and sugar. The child needs to determine which of the two flashcards represents the actual object. When they can accurately and consistently match, you can increase the challenge by offering them 3 simple flashcards to choose from. Do this with all the items before progressing on to 4, 5 or 6 symbol word flashcard choices. Stage 3. Matching symbol word to symbol word. Once they have established and showcased their understanding that the flashcard symbol represents the actual item, we move to strengthen that understanding by removing the actual item and focusing on the image-supported writing format. Again, start with one target and one choice, as in this example. Cycle through the different flashcards at a pace that is suitable for your child. Allow them time to build familiarity with the process. Stage 4. Confirming symbol word to symbol word flashcards. Once they have accurately matched a target symbol word flashcard with a single symbol word flashcard, we can move to the next level of challenge. This is to confirm their understanding of the symbol word flashcards by being able to discriminate between them and selecting the correct matching one to that of the target. Stage 5. Matching word to symbol word flashcard. In this stage, we begin to remove some of the scaffolded support, namely by removing the symbol on the target flashcard, so it simply has the whole written word. Using a single choice symbol word flashcard, we help the child learn that they are the same. This step is about moving the child's focus away from the symbol and towards the whole word. Cycle through all the words in the set, making sure that when modelling an activity you point directly to the word. This draws their focus to the word and away from the symbol. Stage 6. Confirming word to symbol word flashcard. We begin with one whole word target and 2 symbol word flashcards. This exercise helps consolidate their understanding and ability to match the flashcards to the whole word. Cycle through all the words and symbol word flashcards. When secure, move to increasing the number of choice flashcards to 3, then 4, and so on until all the flashcards are used. Stage 7. Matching word to word flashcard. In this stage, we remove all the images and scaffolded support that were present in the previous stages. Start with a single word flashcard matching to a single choice word flashcard. Cycle through all the words. This exercise further establishes the focus on the whole word. Stage 8. Confirming word flashcard to word flashcard matching. Using a single whole word flashcard as a target, we offer 2 whole word flashcards as choices for your child to select from and match to the target. Cycle through all the word flashcards. When secure, move to increasing the number of choice word flashcards to 3, then 4, and so on until all the flashcards are used. Stage 9. Matching whole word in simple, symbol-supported sentence. So far, we have been working on matching single words in isolation. This stage begins to support pupils in finding the word in simple sentences. To support the child, symbolize the key word in the sentence that they are matching to. As in this case, the word jam in the sentence is supported with its symbol. Do this with all the other words in the same repeated sentence. Stage 10. Confirming whole word in simple, symbol-supported sentence. Here we offer the same sentence as in the previous stage. However, they will be offered 2 choices to select from and match the symbol-supported word in the sentence. Cycle through the other words and sentences. Then begin to increase the choices to 3, then 4, and so on until all the flashcards are used. Stage 11. Matching word in sentence. Here we remove the simple support in the sentence. Start with one choice whole word flashcard and cycle through them for each sentence. Stage 12. Here we begin to offer 2 choice whole word flashcards to match to the word in the sentence. Then begin to increase the number of choices to 3, then 4, and so on until all the flashcards are used.